I'm back again, and this time it's a little different. I'm in my dorm kitchen, and today we are going to cook something dorm style pasta. I have very minimal ingredients, so I'm trying to make something yummy out of this because I want to eat something yummy too, and I don't want to spend money on it. So let's try. Let's begin making dorm style pasta. Trust me, trust the process. I normally never cook much, and I'm not a professional food vlogger, so don't expect much out of me. I'll just explain what I'm trying to do. Trying to do. That's important. I'm just boiling some water. I'll be adding a bit of salt. Is that enough? I don't think so. I'm cooking pasta. Not much, so that should be enough. I don't want to put too much. I can add salt later also. Now let it boil. That's all. I'm normally not a person who cooks, so you can find me doing many mistakes. I guess I'll keep it this. Okay, they are becoming soft, but not soft enough to remove. Maybe. Do you think I should add more salt? No, probably no. And my pasta is soft enough. Yeah, it is soft enough. So I'll have to drain this. Before that, I'll have to drain some of this water into half cup. No, I'm supposed to drain half a cup of this pasta water so that I can prepare my sauce. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This pasta is now good enough, and I guess only half cup water is left in that also. So I'll just try and drain it. How do I do that? This is the cup that I'm using. This is the cup that I'm using. Keep everything in the option. Now, this is how I do it. Turn it off first. Since this side of my vessel is a little cracked, so I'm not going to use that side. I'll use this side of my this one, and hope this works out well. Okay, yeah, that's good. Perfect. Now I'm going to add some cold water in that so that they don't stick to each other while I'm preparing my sauce and all of that. Okay, that should be enough cold water. Now to prepare my sauce. This is almost 3/4 of a cup of pasta water that I've taken, and I like my pasta creamy, so I guess I'll add this water. I'll be adding milk powder to it. I'm adding a bit of my chaat masala. That's all. Because I like it tangy. I think so. I like it tangy. Because I don't have tomato to add also. Make sure no clumps. And to this, I will add a bit of my chili powder. Again, all of these are from India. No investment, dom style pasta. After After coming here, I realized how important my mom's cooking is. Because I normally cook for myself over here, but all my cooking is usually rice. I normally don't cook much. I cook rice, and sometimes I make rasam, sometimes I add the puliyogara paste that my mom sent. I'm South Indian, obviously. So, now I'll add all of my pasta to it. Now I'll mix some of this. Maybe it will taste good. I'm scared. Honestly, I'm scared. Hmm. Oh, it's spicy, it's tangy. Pasta has to be cooked a little more. The tangy is what I like, the spicy is too much. And pasta is not cooked properly. It had to cook more. Maybe I'll let it stay in that for a little while. It's not coated properly, but it's fine. Overall, if it was, if I'm comparing with what I was expecting, it's a 4 on 10, but if I'm not comparing, then it's a 6 on 10. I'll let it sit in there for a while and maybe borrow some sauce from my roommate and add it a little and eat it up. But as for the vlog that I'm shooting right now, this is the end. Whatever it is, learn to adapt with your surroundings. That's what I learned. You should learn it too. Bye bye. Take care. Until we meet again. Bye bye.